We all have a need for adventure. But for some, there is a need for adventure on a deeper level. For those, we've built an all-new kind of Forester. The all-new 2022 Subaru Forester Wilderness is adventurous. With legendary Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive, standard. Ground clearance is elevated to 9.2 inches to help take harsh terrain in stride. That beats the Ford Bronco Sport Badlands. The legendary Subaru Boxer engine is paired with improved final drive gear ratios for low-speed off-road climbing performance. A retuned suspension and all new front and rear bumpers are designed to improve approach and departure angles on steep terrain, with the added protection of a front skid plate, standard. The Forester Wilderness comes equipped with a front view monitor to help you see the road ahead as you navigate through the elements. Advanced dual-function X mode redefines sure-footed tenacity in a variety of adverse conditions. And with a spacious interior and water-repellent StarTex upholstery, it has more passenger room than the Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4. Forester Wilderness has even more towing capacity, up to 3,000 pounds, and a strengthened roof rack that has even more rooftop tent capability to help keep you high and dry. The Forester Wilderness has the style to match its adventurous spirit. Bold new 5-spoke matte black finish wheels are wrapped in all-terrain Yokohama Geolander tires for improved performance on mud, snow, gravel, and rocks. Forester Wilderness even provides a matching full-size spare to help keep you safe in remote areas. Exterior body cladding helps protect the Forester Wilderness from the terrain and the elements. A glare-reducing matte black hood, anodized copper finish accents, and black finish trim add style to your adventure. And for all your adventures, you can trust that the Forester Wilderness will be ready to get you there and back, safely and reliably. Standard EyeSight driver assist technology and other safety features have been retuned to match the new vehicle capabilities. And since it's a Subaru, you know it's safe. Subaru has been awarded the highest level of safety you can get, with more 2021 IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus winners than Honda or Toyota. This Forester Wilderness is built to last, with 97% of Subaru Forester vehicles sold in the last 10 years still on the road today, more than Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V. This is our most adventurous Subaru Forester ever. Discover more in the all-new 2022 Subaru Forester Wilderness, the next model in our Wilderness family.